in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your system display resolution on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the system menu, and then select System Settings. On the left panel that appears, you want to select the Display option. So go ahead and select Displays. And then over here on the right, you want to select where it says Show All Resolutions to drop that down. And then any additional resolutions you should be able to switch between here and then change the resolution. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.